Have you ever experienced goods piling up during the receiving process? In many warehouses, the receiving process is where problems begin. Incorrect items arrive, quantities do not match documents, and delays at the dock disrupt operations. A single mistake during receiving can trigger a chain reaction, affecting inventory accuracy, order fulfillment, and customer satisfaction. This is why receiving is a critical part of a warehouse management system. It acts as the first control point where physical goods meet digital records. When this step is inaccurate, all downstream processes become unreliable. In this video, you will learn a structured, step-by-step receiving process within a warehouse management system. You will understand how to verify incoming goods, reduce handling and data entry errors, and apply a standardized SOP for consistent operations. By the end, you will be able to manage receiving activities with greater accuracy, control, and efficiency in daily warehouse operations. Before we begin, please make sure to subscribe. Now that you understand the importance of receiving, let's look at the overall process from a big picture perspective. The receiving process follows a structured end-to-end flow that ensures every item is properly controlled from arrival to storage. It begins with pre-arrival preparation. At this stage, the warehouse reviews documents such as the purchase order and advance shipping notice, to understand what items are expected. The process continues when the truck arrives at the dock. Documents are verified, and the vehicle is assigned to the correct unloading area. Next comes the unloading activity, where goods are safely moved from the truck into the receiving area. After unloading, the goods go through checking and verification. This step ensures that the quantity and condition match the provided documents. Once verified, the data is recorded into the warehouse management system. This updates inventory in real time and creates accurate stock visibility. The process then moves to Putaway, where items are assigned to specific storage locations based on warehouse rules and strategies. This complete flow ensures that every item received is accurate, traceable, and ready for the next warehouse operation. Now that you understand the overall receiving flow, we begin with the first step, pre-arrival preparation. Before any shipment reaches the warehouse, the process starts with reviewing the purchase order. This document defines what items are expected, including quantity, specifications, and delivery details. At the same time, the advance shipping notice is checked. This information provides visibility into what the supplier has shipped, allowing the warehouse to prepare in advance. With this information, the team can plan dock scheduling. Assigning the right dock at the right time helps prevent congestion and delays during arrival. Preparation also includes ensuring all necessary tools are ready. Barcode scanners must be functional and fully charged to support accurate data capture. Checklists are prepared to guide the receiving process, ensuring no critical step is missed during operations. Labels are also made ready for identification purposes, supporting proper tracking and traceability of goods. With proper pre-arrival preparation, the warehouse is ready to receive goods efficiently, with better control, accuracy, and coordination. With preparation completed, the process continues as the truck arrives at the warehouse. At this stage, proper control begins at the dock area. The first priority is verifying all required documents. The delivery note is checked to confirm the shipment details provided by the supplier. The invoice is also reviewed to ensure consistency with the expected order. These documents must match the purchase order and ASN, ensuring that the shipment is valid and authorized. Once verification is complete, the truck is assigned to the appropriate dock. Proper dock assignment helps maintain smooth traffic flow and prevents operational delays. Before any unloading begins, a safety check is conducted. This includes ensuring the truck is properly secured, the dock leveler is stable, and all personnel are using the required safety equipment. With documents verified, dock assigned, and safety confirmed, the operation is ready to proceed to the unloading stage. With the truck securely positioned at the dock, the process moves into the unloading stage. At this point, proper unloading techniques are essential to maintain both safety and product integrity. Goods must be handled carefully to prevent damage during movement. Depending on the type of shipment, unloading can be performed using a forklift or through manual handling. Forklift operations require trained operators to ensure stable and controlled lifting. For manual handling, Workers must follow correct lifting techniques to avoid injury and maintain efficiency. Throughout this process, all activities must follow established safety SOPs. This includes wearing proper personal protective equipment, such as safety helmets, gloves, and safety shoes. The positioning of goods must also be controlled, ensuring items are placed securely to prevent shifting or falling. By applying correct unloading methods and strict safety practices, the warehouse ensures a smooth transition from truck to receiving area with minimal risk. With the goods moved into the receiving area, the process continues with inspection and verification. At this stage, accuracy becomes the main focus. Each item must be checked against the documents provided. The first step is quantity verification. The physical count of goods is compared with the purchase order and shipping documents to ensure everything matches. After confirming the quantity, the process moves to quality inspection. Each item is examined carefully to identify any visible damage, such as broken packaging or defects. For applicable products, expiration dates are also checked to ensure the goods meet required standards. Any discrepancy must be identified immediately. This may include overages, shortages, or damaged items. All discrepancies are recorded for proper follow-up and resolution. By performing thorough inspection and verification, the warehouse ensures that only accurate and acceptable goods move forward in the process. With the goods verified and approved, the process continues into system receiving within the warehouse management system. At this stage, accuracy in data entry is just as important as physical inspection. The first step is capturing data by scanning the barcode on each item. This ensures that information is recorded quickly and minimizes manual input errors. If required, the SKU is also entered to confirm the exact product identification within the system. Once all items are recorded, the system generates a goods receipt note. This document serves as official confirmation that the goods have been received. At the same time, inventory is updated in real time. This provides full visibility of stock levels across the warehouse operations. By completing system input accurately, the warehouse ensures that physical goods and system data remain fully synchronized, supporting reliable inventory management. With the system updated and goods officially received, the process continues with labeling and identification. At this stage, each item must be clearly marked to ensure accurate tracking throughout the warehouse. Labels are applied directly to the goods or packaging, starting with barcode identification. This allows every item to be scanned and tracked quickly and efficiently during operations. In addition to barcodes, batch or lot numbers are also included when required. This information is critical for traceability, especially for products with expiration dates or quality control requirements. All labeling activities must follow standard labeling rules defined by the warehouse. This includes correct label placement, clear visibility, and consistent formatting. By applying proper labeling and identification, the warehouse ensures that every item can be accurately tracked, located, and managed throughout its life cycle. With labeling completed and items clearly identified, the process moves into the Putaway stage. At this point, goods are assigned to specific storage locations within the warehouse. Each item is directed to a designated bin location based on system instructions and layout. Proper location assignment ensures items can be easily found, retrieved, and managed in future operations. The Putaway process also follows defined strategies to maintain inventory accuracy and product quality. FIFO, or first in first out, ensures older stock is used before newer stock. FEFO, or first expired first out, prioritizes items with the earliest expiration dates to reduce waste. As items are placed into their locations, the system is updated in real time to reflect the exact position of each item. This ensures accurate tracking and visibility across warehouse operations. As the receiving process continues, it is important to understand common mistakes that can impact accuracy and efficiency. One of the most frequent errors is scanning the wrong barcode. This can lead to incorrect item registration and disrupt inventory records. Another common issue is failing to check for damaged goods. If damage is not identified early, it can create problems in storage and affect customer satisfaction. Delays in system input are also a critical mistake. When data is not updated in real time, inventory visibility becomes unreliable and can lead to operational confusion. To prevent these issues, operators must follow standardized procedures with full attention to detail. Always verify barcode information before confirming, perform thorough quality checks during inspection, and ensure all data is recorded immediately within the system. By avoiding these common mistakes, the warehouse can maintain accuracy, improve efficiency, and ensure smooth operations across all processes. To ensure the receiving process runs effectively, performance must be measured and continuously monitored. Key performance indicators provide visibility into how well the operation is performing. One of the most important metrics is receiving accuracy. This measures how closely the physical goods received match the system records and documentation. Another critical metric is dock-to-stock time. This reflects how quickly goods move from arrival at the dock to being available in storage within the system. A shorter dock-to-stock time indicates a more efficient receiving process. Damage rate is also closely monitored. This measures the percentage of goods that arrive damaged or become damaged during the receiving process. By tracking these key indicators, the warehouse can identify gaps, improve operational performance, and maintain high standards in receiving activities. You have now seen the complete receiving process from start to finish. From pre-arrival preparation, truck arrival and docking, unloading, inspection and verification, system input, labeling, and putaway into storage locations. Each step plays a critical role in ensuring accuracy, efficiency, and full control of warehouse operations. Consistent execution of SOP is essential to prevent errors, reduce delays, and maintain reliable inventory data. When every step is followed with discipline, the warehouse can operate smoothly and deliver better overall performance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more warehouse management content. In the next session, we will continue with a deeper focus on putaway and picking processes, where efficiency and accuracy become even more critical.